Okay guys, so we are preparing our my PLC trainer. Okay, so I will use this PLC to control and operate my three-phase motor. Okay, I'm using this for my trainer for engineering graduates or technical course graduate student or individual who wishes to learn something about motor control and especially simple PLC programming. This is a stepping stone for them so that they will be able to join the PLC programming, okay, and also skills enhancement. Okay, so good morning. So this for simple control, traditional, and this one for PLC controlled motor. Okay, bye.